Good morning, students. Today we are going to do the third module of division, which involves division by three-digit divisor. It is just the same as that of two-digit divisor. Let us divide 384927 by 268. Just like the two-digit division, we have to start from the left side of the dividend. Since 3 is lesser than 268, it will not go into 268. So we put a cross on top of 3. Next we take 38. Again 38 is lesser than 268, so division is not possible, so we put another cross on top of 8. So now we have 384. Just like the two-digit division, we have to estimate 268 and 384. Let us see what we get. So 268 is rounded up to 300 and 384 is rounded up to 400. So 300 will go one time in 400. Let us see 268 into 1 is what? Definitely it's very easy. It will be 268. So 268 will go one time in 384. So now we have 1169. So let us round it up. We get 1200. Now already we have rounded up 268. That was 300. So 300 will go 4 times in 1200. So let us see what we get when we multiply 268 into 4. It is 1072, which is less than 1169. That means 268 will go 4 times in 1169. So likewise, now we have 972, which when rounded up is 1000, and we have already rounded up 268, which is 300. So 300 will go 3 times in 1000. So let us see 268 into 3 is what? Oh yes, it is 804, so which is lesser than 972. So that means 268 will go 3 times in 972. So now we have 1687. Let us again round it up. It becomes 2000, and already we have 268 being estimated to 300. Now 300 will go 6 times in 2000. So 268 into 6, let us find out, and which we are getting as 1608, which is lesser than 1687. So 268 will go 6 times, and we write 6 on the roof of the house. So we have the quotient as 1436, and we get the remainder as 79. So isn't it easy? Let us have a quick recap of what we have learnt in this module. Estimation plays an important role in the long division with 3-digit divisor also. Rounding up to be done to the hundred or the thousands place. Now this is little tricky because it depends upon the closeness of the number to the next whole number. For example, if it is 1120, so the rounding up will be 1200. But if it is 1800 or 1900 and something, then it will be rounded up to 2000. We can check by multiplying the quotient and the divisor and then adding the remainder to see if we get the dividend back. Remainder must always be less than the divisor, and in the answer we must write the quotient followed by the remainder, maintaining the place value. Now it's time for assignment. You will be doing exercise 2.6, number 2, K, L, M, N and O, and I have done 3I in the sample. So observe the sample carefully. Now here you will see I have drawn a rough column and I have done the estimation there. At times here you will find out, which I have marked in red, if the product is greater, then you have to go back one step and come to the right step. So when we are dividing by 3-digit divisor, we have to do estimation as well as little trial and error method also. So see you tomorrow.